Good morning, Standard 2. Good morning. Do you recognize the person on my screen? Well, we're going to be reading about him today. You will need your spell workout level D. Hold on to it for now. I will let you know what page you will be using in a minute. So go and grab it and then press play when you're ready. Okay, if you're pressing play, that means you're finished. So a question is here. Who discovered electricity? It was Benjamin Franklin who discovered electricity. Though people that time thought Benjamin's story of flying a kite during a thunderstorm was complete imagination, no one really knows the truth. They said that Greeks and Parthian had knowledge about electricity by rubbing against fur. So this is the first man to ever discover electricity. But this man had many different talents. He was someone who discovered other things. So let's go ahead and read about him. Please turn to page 65 in your spelling workout level D. At the very top of that page, there's a question. It says, why would a scientist want to fly a kite during a lightning storm? Let's find out. A man of many talents. Benjamin Franklin applied his talents in many ways. He was a printer, writer, civic leader, and scientist. Relying on his famous replies and clever sayings, he often convinced people of his ideas. Today, no one denies Franklin's genius. Almost 250 years ago, Benjamin Franklin conducted his most famous experiment. He proved that lightning is electricity. The exact details of his experiments are not known. Some people think Franklin may have flown a kite at the beginning of an electrical storm. Lightning may have struck a wire carried by the kite. It then might have traveled down the hairs of the kite string to a key. There it created a spark. The experiment supplied information Franklin needed to invent the lightning rod. So if you take a look at the picture there in your book, you see Benjamin Franklin holding up a kite with a special kind of wire, trying to navigate the electrical signal from the lightning into his wire. So, is this what exactly happened? Well, no one really knows. Benjamin did not reveal exactly what he did, but some people suspect that he discovered it because of this kite and the wire that he was using. Nevertheless, Benjamin is the first man who discovered electricity. Let's continue reading. Franklin also invented the Franklin stove. So I tried to find a picture of the Franklin stove. Of course, this is a modern version of it. And let's read about it. It produced twice as much heat as a fireplace and used much less fuel. He also invented bifocal glasses, which had both reading and distance lenses. So he was also the person to create bifocal glasses, and I have a picture here showing you. We all probably know it. If you look in, you can see that it has these lenses. They're called bifocal. That allows you to see closer or see your words bigger when you're reading, and also in a distance. Then let's go ahead and see what else he created. Franklin discovered that disease multiplied in stuffy rooms. So he was the first one to kind of figure out, hey, when we're in a stuffy room all together and someone is sick, probably multiplies and we can catch it and we can get sick too. So Benjamin Franklin, the discoverer, the scientist. He was the first to show that a rough sea could be calmed by pouring oil on it. He also thought up daylight saving time, buying people more daylight in the summer. Many people copied Franklin's ideas. Franklin, though, refused to make a profit from any of his inventions. He was satisfied if his inventions gave people a better life. So as you can see, he wasn't worried about the money. He was just worried about helping people. What a humble person. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and complete page 66, page 66, and page 67. 66 and 67. As you can see, we're going to be changing and working with words that change the Y to an I and add ES or ED or ING. This is what we're doing in language arts as well, learning about present participle, past tense. So we're going to be practicing with this as well. So go ahead and complete 66 and 67. We will be checking this together in our live session. Bye.